Hey artist pals, welcome back to another episode of Let's Draw with Maddie Frost. I'm Maddie Frost, I'm hanging out in my studio, and today we are drawing a librarian. What is that, you might wonder? Well, it's when you combine a librarian with a bear together, and we get a librarian. So grab something to draw with and some paper, and meet me right back here to draw a librarian. Yay! Let's draw a librarian. So I'm going to start by drawing the desk. So let's do this. Okay, so I just drew a rectangle. Great. And maybe I will put a little feet on the desk. So just two little shapes, little squares at the bottom. You could even do 4. Great. Let's put our focus on the bear, and then we can make the desk really fun and add tons of books, because we know our librarian loves books. So then I just put in this shape here, a half oval, a mountain, a gumdrop, whatever you'd like to call it. Okay, and then I'm going to put in some eyes. Okay, and pupils there. Some ears. Whoop. Just 2 little gumdrop shapes like that. And a nose. So I'm gonna start by drawing a bear nose. This is how I draw bear noses, but I know there are lots of ways to draw a bear nose. So I just put in this shape here, and then I'm gonna do a little oval shape. I can color that in. A line down, and a smile. Yay, it's looking really cute. Okay, great. And then I think I want to put in some paws on top of the desk because this librarian is checking in books. So how we're going to do that, we're just going to start on one side here and go 1, 2, 3, like that. Almost like a really big, long W with an extra U. And then we'll just close it off. So it's a paw on top of a desk. Let's put in the other one. So 1, 2, 3, over. Excellent. Let's leave those there for now. And let's jump up to top of the head. How about some little texture marks? That's cute. Excellent. And I want my librarian to wear a sweater. So I'm gonna put the sweater on. I'm just gonna draw a V coming in and up like that. And let's make it a thicker collar because it is a cozy sweater. I'm gonna add some texture marks. And like that. I think that looks good. And how about a pattern on the sweater? You could do any pattern you want, but before actually we put the pattern in, I want to put the sleeves of the sweater. And how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to draw a line around and outside the paws, like that. So now it looks like the librarian has little sleeves. Ooh! For my pattern, I think I'm gonna draw like little trees. but you can do whatever you want. It's gonna make it really simple. Okay, maybe there's another one here. And maybe just part of one here. And then I'm gonna add little dots to show maybe it's a wool sweater. It's very cozy and warm. Okay. Yay, great. Okay, that is our librarian, and you can add a hat, or what else would your librarian have? Maybe these are glasses, right? Or some fancy hair accessories, whatever you think. I'm gonna start adding some books to the desk, lots of books, and I make books really simple. This is what I do. I just start making just long rectangles, and they can be short, some can be long, and I just go and I stack them on top of one on top of the other like that. Whoa, it's a really big stack of books. And you can keep going as high as you want. I don't know. And I think I'll do. Oh, I think I'll do one more. Okay. But we kind of want to make them look more like books, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some long lines, not all of them, but some of them, to look like the books are facing out. And maybe I can do, like, here's part of a spine of a book. And I will do some more lines there. Oh, you could even write titles in there. You could make them up or write your favorite book titles, like Smug Seagull, Just Be Jelly, you know, Wakey Birds, just saying. Okay, excellent. Let's see, I don't have as much space over here as I thought I would to add more books, but I do have enough space to add a mug of tea or coffee, because we know they like tea and coffee, right? So all I did, I'm sorry, I kind of did that kind of weird. So I just went up with like a U, and then I did an oval shape on top, like that. And then you can do the handle, kind of a backwards C. Yeah, like that. And if it is a cup of tea, you could do a line down and then a little square for the tea bag. I'm sure librarians don't drink coffee, open coffee or tea near books, but who knows? I don't know. Okay. And I think we need to jazz up the desk. So there's going to be a return slot here. And I'm going to color it in to show that it's open. And I'll write returns below it. Great. And maybe there's some fun signs or some cool art on the desk, on the front of the desk. And I'm just going to draw lots of squares and rectangles to put some cute signs. And I can put some little tape marks. That's always really cute. Like there's pieces of tape holding up the signs. Maybe do some in the corners. Cute. And then we can write or draw whatever we want. I'm going to put reading is magical here, if I can fit it. A shooting star maybe. Yeah. We've got maybe like a little critter saying, "Yay, books." And for this one, maybe I'll just put a unicorn. But draw whatever you want. Yeah. And we'll just do heart books. Cute. And I think my librarian is complete. What do you guys think? Great job. Thank you so much for drawing with me. And if you know a special librarian in your life and who makes reading so magical, make sure you let them know how much you appreciate them and their hard work to bring you books. Thanks, guys.